Hello friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to learn worst fit algorithm for memory management. What is worst fit? Worst fit allocates a process to the partition which is largest sufficient among the freely available partitions available in the main memory. Problem statement. Given block sizes and process size, we need to find which block is assigned to which process under worst fit algorithm. For example, your input will be like this, block sizes and process sizes, and your output should be like this. Now, let's look at the implementation. Input memory blocks and processes with sizes. Initialize all memory blocks as free. Start by picking each process and find the maximum block size that can be assigned to the current process. That is, you have to find the maximum of all the blocks that could be assigned to a process. If found, then assign it to the current process. If not, then leave that process and keep checking the further processes. For example, given block sizes 100, 500, 200, 300, 600, process sizes 212, 417, 112, 426. According to the code in the article, we will see how this example proceeds. Let n be the number of processes, which is 4, m number of available blocks, which are 5. Let allocation be an array of size n equal 4 and initialize it with -1. When I equals 0, process size 0 equals 212. Blocks with size 500, 300 and 600 can be allocated to this process. Maximum among them is 600. So worst fit block size equals 600. Allocation of 0 equals 4, which is the index of this block, 600. Block size 4 minus equals 212, which is 388. So this block has now size 388. I equals 1, process size 1 equals 417. Worst fit block size equals 500. Allocation of 1 becomes 1. Block size 1 minus equals 417, which is 83. Now, available block sizes are 100, 83, 200, 300, 388. When I equals 2, process size 2 equals 112. So, 200, 300, 388 can be allocated to this process. But maximum among them is 388. So worst fit block size equal 388. Allocation of 2 equals 4. Block size 4 minus equal 112. So which is 276. Now this block has space 276. When I equals 3, process size 3 equals 426. Here no block is greater than or equal to 426. So worst fit block size is not available. So allocation of 3 remains -1. At last, allocation array will be like this: 4, 1, 4, -1, and the output should be this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. Please leave us your likes and comments.